SDK.finance. In this video, we'll see how to perform a top-up via bank. The first step is for the individual to create a top-up request. After that, the accountant can review the request and either approve or decline it. Let's start by signing in as the individual. Before creating the request, you may need the bank account ID to include it in the API call for the bank top-up. This API retrieves a list of bank accounts linked to the user. If the user doesn't have any linked accounts, the system will return the list of pool accounts instead. In this case, the customer has one linked bank account, so we'll copy its ID from the response. The API used to create the top-up request is shown here. The bank account ID can be passed as one of the parameters in the request body. It's optional, so you can either include it or skip it if not needed. You also need to provide the coin serial to be topped up and the top-up amount. There are additional optional fields like description, external process ID, and custom information. In this example, the serial and amount have already been filled in, and we'll also add the bank account ID, though again, it's optional. Now, we can send the request. The request has been created with a pending status. This means the user's account hasn't been topped up yet. The funds will only be transferred after the accountant approves the request. Next, we log in as the accountant. On the Requests page, under the Top Up via Bank tab, we can see the newly created request with the relevant amount and details. At this point, we can either accept or decline the request. We'll choose to accept it. Once accepted, the top-up is approved and the funds are credited to the user's account. To confirm, let's check the user's wallet balance. As you can see, the amount has been updated, indicating that the top-up was successfully processed. The transaction also appears in the list of transactions.